Hi guys, it's Marky. I just wanted to talk about honey bowl mouth guards. These actually have multiple different uses. I bought them because I tend to clench my jaw at night, and these have really helped. They're super easy to use. They come with really detailed instructions that just let you know how to mold them to your mouth. It comes with this little traveling case. This is what the actual guard itself looks like. It's made of a medical grade silicone, so it's really nice. The instructions just let you know that you can boil it for like 15 to 30 seconds. Take it out, let it cool for a second, put it in your mouth, bite down, and then it's molded to your teeth. And because of that, you can actually use it as a teeth whitening tray too. So I have done that once or twice. I've really liked it. It's worked really nice. So really versatile product. The carrying case itself, I go out of town a lot. I go to hotels a lot. I can just throw my tray in here, throw it in my bag, and be ready to go. To clean the tray, all you have to do is brush it like your teeth. Brush it with your toothbrush and toothpaste, rinse it off, dry it off, and put it right back in its case, and it is ready to go the next day. It's really helped me in a lot of different ways. I have loved it so much. It's BPA free, which is great. You don't have to worry about that. So if you are in the market for something like this, maybe you want to whiten your teeth, maybe you just need teeth guards that are high quality, I would highly recommend you look into this product, and I hope this was helpful. Thank you.